Yeah, chili for free. Did you have some?
No.
I don't have some.
Well, it's for the Christians. Then we're gonna have you move back.
Yum! Dancing.
It's really warm. You're not gonna
Hey, Gregory, are you hungry?
No, but Mom, but there's like this kid over there bossing around this game.
Well, what are you gonna do? Is it good? I got you on.
I'm still on video.
Oh no, video.
You're busted. How do you like it, cameraman? Huh?
I hate it.
Huh? Here, I'll get me too,
really
okay? Hey, you feel better? There.
Much better.
Orchard Grove, what is it, October 4th today? Yes, Saturday, October 4th. And it is family drive-in movie night.
Drive-in.
What are we gonna watch?
Cheaper by the dozen.
Who is the leading actor?
And isn't it Steve Martin?
It is! Huh?
Yay.
What a crack
I've never
up!
seen it, so we'll
You know what?
see if it's any good.
I have not either. Say hi, honey. You're gonna be on the internet.
Oh no!
You are. I'm gonna look out. Okay.
Are you serious?
Well, look at the drive-in movie theater, you guys. It is so cool. And there's the volleyball people over there, and there's some other people. So, see you soon.